In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 75 by 4 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 7. We know that 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract, we get 3. Now 3 is less than 4. That is why we need to bring down this number 5 here. Now 4 times 8 is 32. Subtract, we get 3. Now 3 is less than 4 and we have no number to bring down here. So in this case we will borrow 1 0 and for that we need to put a decimal here. Now 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract, we get 2. Again 2 is less than 4, so we will again borrow 1 0. And we know that 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get 0. As we have obtained the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 75 divided by 4 is equal to 18.75, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.